Good morning, good afternoon and good evening YouTube. What's going on? It's your boy Joey Does Tech and welcome to our next installment of repairing the Nintendo DS Lite Soldering Edition. In our last video, we took apart this Nintendo DS Lite and we managed to replace the top screen. However, what we didn't manage to do was replace the speakers. That video can be found in the link in the description down below. For today's video, we're going to be using a soldering iron to remove the speakers from the old LCD screen and put them onto the new LCD screen. Now I have done a bit of research and I think what I'm going to have to do is take apart the Nintendo DS Lite completely again, and the reason being is because we have the hinge here and I don't think we can actually take this screen off without disconnecting the hinge, and to get to the hinge you need to take apart the DS. I thought there might have been an easier way to do it by just removing the 4 screws and prying the top open, but I don't want to do that just in case I break the ribbon cable. Without further ado and enough jibber jabber, let's take apart this DS. I almost forgot, man. I hope these gloves aren't extremely flammable. I'm trying to do this from complete memory this time, so that way I learn. Again, unfortunately, I do have to take the black wire and the white wire and thread them through, well, the black one that is anyway, underneath the game cartridge slot, and then remove the ribbon cable. With the white cable, I just need to take out the motherboard a little bit, unplug it, and then I can feed it through. I think there might be an easier way to do this, and it might be a little bit too much, but it's nice for me to be able to get used to what's inside, taking it apart, and just getting used to all the fiddly bits. We're now at the next step of our operation where we have to put the speakers in and solder. Now I do really apologise for the quality because it's going to be really difficult for me to show you exactly what I'm taking off, or transferring rather, from this screen to this screen. But I guess the first thing to do is remove the speaker. I'm very nervous. I haven't touched the soldering iron since I was probably about, I don't know, 13, 14. So I'm very excited, but I'm also very nervous. Again, completely from a beginner's perspective, how to use a soldering iron to take off speakers from an old DS Lite LCD top screen and transfer it to a new one. Let's go. Okay, first mistake, I thought it was on, but I hadn't switched it on. Okay, so the first job, I'm going to remove the speakers from the old screen. And I'm going to do that by simply placing the tip of the soldering iron on the solder that's previously there. I'll be happy if I don't burn the house down. Okay, I don't think it's hot enough yet. I don't know how long you're meant to leave it before you can use it. It was recommended to put it on about 280 degrees Celsius. I think the nerves are kicking in. Okay, so that's one free. Okay, we have our first solder-free speaker. And we have our second. Now I can't remember the exact term of what this is called, but it's something like you toast it up, where you put the solder onto the silver plates on the ribbon cable. Toasting up or something, I don't know. Which be like, this is the difficult part. This is the difficult part. So I think as far as toasting it up goes, that's not bad for my first time. That's the money shot. Now to connect the speaker. One down. I don't know how that's gone. I've got no Scooby whether that's actually done, like if that's good or not. I have no clue. I'm actually going to flip it around because it seemed a little bit easier to do it from the right side. I think as far as soldering for beginners go, that's not bad. It's not pretty, but it's not horrendous. Now let's put it back together and see what happens. I just put the speakers in the wrong way around. Hopefully I haven't damaged them by touching them. You guys know exactly what fun bit I've got next. That didn't take anywhere near as long as last time, so that's a result. Okay, so this is taking a while because this side goes down fine. This side doesn't go down. And I can't really see anything that's stopping me from putting it down. It's this bit directly. It's like almost near the trigger. I managed to put it back on without having the trigger. So I'm assuming it was that. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the moment of truth. So this is what it boils down to, I guess. My first ever experience soldering properly. Has it worked? Oh, music to my ears, man. Okay, right, let's not get ahead of ourselves. Top screen, still intact, which means that the ribbon cable's fine. And listen to that. Oh my gosh. Man, that feels so good. Right, I'm gonna turn my mic up a little bit for this one. So that's one side. This is the other. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Wow. Let's get all the screws back in and give it a clean up. Now for me, I think this is the most final and satisfying part. I've had these in these boxes for a very, very long time. So it's going to be nice to actually put them back on and finally close this up. Cannot be having that uneven. If somebody asked me to do this like 2 weeks ago, I would have said, you're having an absolute laugh. And I wouldn't have known where to start. But the fact that I've got this done is the very beginning of, you know, this whole new hobby that I've taken up. I mean, this is the only angle I've kind of got at the moment because of how the camera's set up. But thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos that will be coming your way. If anyone has any suggestions or comments as to what you think I should do next, then please don't hesitate to comment down below. I'm just going to also slip in there that, again, a massive shout out to Elliot, aka the Retro Future, for sending me the DS, the parts, and just being supportive all the way. So thank you, bro. I appreciate it. It's been your boy Joey Does Tech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace. So what do you guys think of the DS? You like it? What do you think? I think they think I've done a good job.